Hey guys, my name is Sam and today we're going to be learning how to host WordPress websites on your local computer for free. We'll be using Flywheel, free software. Let's do it. Or on the Get Flywheel website, this is where we download the software that allows us to run our WordPress website on our computer. This means we don't have to get a server, pay for hosting or anything like that. We can just run it straight away, start building websites quickly, and later you can always migrate it to a server if you want. So we'll go to the website here. I put a link in the description below. So click free download, and here it's free. You just have to choose your operating system and then put in your details really quickly. One website, get it now. And then that's going to start downloading here. It's quite a big file, 468 megabytes. But yeah, once it's done, we'll go through the install. Okay, here, so we've downloaded Flywheel right here. Let's go and open it and install it. Opening. Okay, boom, there we have the app unzips. Let's open that bad boy up. Okay, great, yes, open it. Takes a while as to get all the settings right and everything. Sometimes it's going to ask for a lot of authorization. So just put in your password and away you go. Okay, great, so now here it is, asking for my password. Awesome, so these are sites that I put in before, but what you're going to do the first time is just click add local site, put in the name, your website, call it whatever you want, doesn't really matter, continue. I would prefer, just because it sets it up with the default, that's all you need right now. Continue. This is just going to be what you're going to log into WordPress with. So this doesn't need to be too complicated. I keep it really simple and I can change it later once it goes live. So I keep it like that, as that, and then I just put in something really simple. Boom, and now it's being added here. You can see new website. Password again, and we're just going to wait for that to start adding and setting everything up. Here we go. Boom. So here are all the details of the website. And so if you want to view the website, just click view website, and that's going to open up here in a new window. So this is just the classic 2017 theme. Boom. So that's just going to be like a blank slate. And if you want, you can look at the admin. So it's going to go to the WordPress admin and just log in with the same password before that you put in. And there you go. Now I'm in the back dashboard. So now I can do everything from adding in new themes. It's 2017, add a new theme and all that sort of stuff, just like as if it was a live website. And you can always view it from here. So as I said before, to view it, just click view site. Here's another one I was playing around with earlier. Just installing a random theme, seeing what it looks like. Boom, boom, there it is. So yeah, you can have as many as you want here. It's great. Just keep testing and testing. So that's how you install WordPress on your local computer.